you are strong, your time, your effort, you require to spend your total time only on that particular area only. That is what zone of genius. Suppose you are a software engineer. Okay, you are good at coding. Assume that you are good at coding. You are good at technical. Yes, your total time should be on that particular activity only. Remember that, sir. I want to do sometime. I want to take some other activity, some this activity, that activity, this activity. If you are distributing your time among the remaining activities other than your zone of genius, your growth will be very, very small. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, zone of genius you require to identify. Okay, when you try to handle all the work alone, okay, when you try to handle all the work alone, you become tired, tired, next slow under stressed, when you try to handle all the work alone, you become tired, slow, under stressed. Okay, you feel like you feel like a hero. You feel like a hero for some time. You feel like a hero for some time, but in reality, okay, blocking. You are blocking you are blocking your own growth. You are blocking your own growth. Own growth. Array, I can do any activity, man. If a person who is telling such type of things, okay, seems to be hero, but he's blocking his growth. Remember a bit very carefully, right? Okay. Next, sharing work, sharing work, sharing work, okay, with others, with others. Sharing work with others makes things faster, easier, and better. Makes things faster, easier, and better. Success is never be a one man show. Success is never be one man show. It is always a team effort. It is always a team effort. It's always a team effort. I hope everyone got it clearly. Array, whatever activities you have, don't do all activities on your own. Identify some resources who are experts in that area. Yes, better to delegation, delegate. Better to delegate some activities to others so that you can concentrate only on where you are comfortable. What is your zone of genius? That particular area only you can concentrate. Rest of the things you require to delegate. So, what is the biggest advantage we are going to get is your exponential growth by default will be there. Okay, think big, grow fast. Okay, think big, grow fast, grow fast, grow fast. If you want to grow fastly, yes, compulsory this point you require to aware. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand this point, friends? Any doubt,
Sir.
or are you everyone in the position to understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, most of the people, common mindset is, hey, I want to do all activities. I require to do all activities. They never going to think about delegation kind of thing. Here, n number of doubts are there. Array, if I'm doing, then only I can satisfy. If I do, then only I can satisfy. No other person can expect my quality. No other person can expect my requirement. Okay, that's why compulsory I only should do these activities. Okay, like some people are going to fail. The people who are having this type of mindset, okay, these people never going to succeed. Remember this. You should believe the people. You should delegate to the expert people. So the things are going to be done parallelly. Okay, where you are strong, that particular area only you require to concentrate. Rest of the things you require to identify some experts. You require to delegate to the team. Okay, best there are one or two examples I will discuss so that you people can understand very easily, right? Okay, there are two examples are there. Just example one. Okay, our Ravi example. Okay, actually, Ravi style. In my regular sessions, I took Ravi style. Ravi example means, he's a trainer like me. He want to launch his video courses. Okay, he want to launch his video courses. He's struggling. Single video course also he didn't publish. He didn't publish single video course also. Keep on. So tried very hardly worked, but he's not in a position to succeed. Then automatically he approached Durga sir. Okay, he approached Durga sir. Durga sir is always telling, "Pare, this is the old thinking you have. Can you please change your new thinking?" So this mindset shift must be required. Okay, this is the way you require to think. Like every time I'm telling the suggestions, then automatically this person happily implementing all these things, changes his mindset. Okay, 25 points here, 25 mindset shifts are required. Then automatically this person happily doing at the beginning, struggling like anything to publish a single course, but at the end, after completing 25 session, his business is happily keep on going, and this person enjoying in the Bangkok. Okay, just to explain these concepts, I choose one example, one person, one business example, named with Ravi. Okay, like just a trainer example. Right? That's why whenever I'm using the word Ravi means, okay, this person, he's struggling like anything for to do the activities. He didn't succeed. Okay, how this person is going to just with mind shifts, how this person is going to transform into a successful person. These are things you should aware. So in our examples, whenever I'm using Ravi's story is this. Okay, businessman, business owner example. Of course, Ravi won't take in our examples. Business owner example is always talks about Ravi. Business owner example. Okay, so Ravi want to launch his course. To launch his course, there are a number of activities are required. Okay, Ravi tried to record videos. Ravi tried to record videos, edit them, and make thumbnails. Make thumbnails. Make thumbnails. Okay, reply to students. Reply to students. Reply to students, and also market, market is course, and also market is course. All these activities by himself, after months of hard work. After months of hard work, after months of hard work, nothing was completed.